Today, off-highway tyres are an indispensable part of mobility of material and virtually impacts every economy around the globe. These tyres ensure that heavy equipment used in diverse applications stays safe and mobile. In short, OHTs literally carry the weight of the world.
My vision for Emerald is that it should fulfill the aspirations of all the stakeholders in the value chain. When Emerald started in 2002, it committed itself in providing highly customized solution to meet the customer's needs. So it is no surprise today Emerald Tyres has built an impeccable reputation as a total tire wheel solution provider for the off-the-highway tire industry.
The global OHT industry is expected to grow at a CAGR of 6.5%. There is an ever-increasing demand for heavy machinery in the industrial, construction, mining, and agricultural industry. Emerald has charted its own course for being a leading player in the OHT segment with a focus on industrial tire wheel solutions.
Every customer is unique, so is every application. Emerald offers them a comprehensive range of specialty tires developed using tailor-made compounds that meet the specific requirements of the customer.
Emerald provides reliable and high-performance tires and wheels for equipment used in material handling and warehousing, construction, infrastructure, airport ground support, seaport, and agricultural segments. Emerald Tyre Manufacturers Limited is the largest manufacturer and exporter of industrial tires and wheels from India. Emerald's manufacturing facility is located near the port city of Chennai in southern India. The unique facility is equipped to handle production of various types of tires and wheels under one roof.
Implementing Industry 4.0 has been the key driver for Emerald to deliver high-quality products at competitive prices. We pride ourselves on being uncompromising on processes. We follow good manufacturing practices, APQP and PPAP. We have taken several strategic initiatives to make our production process robust by implementing TQM systems across the organization. We ensure that our employees are invested in this endeavor through Kaizens and quality circle initiatives. Every tire we produce is REACH compliant as per European standards, and we are an ISO 14001 certified company.
Emerald's state-of-the-art lab performs stringent material quality tests and delivers 100% quality assured products. Tires go through rigorous simulated industrial endurance testing, so you don't have to tread cautiously. New product development not only keeps Emerald ahead of the curve, but also in tune with our clients' needs. Continuous product improvisation ensures the best output consistently. Product advancement is an ongoing pursuit, and our R&D teams are constantly on it.
We are always recognized as a reliable supplier and solution provider. We bank on application-based approach, providing customer-centric solutions. Our long-standing presence in the market, understanding the customer needs, and meeting them on time and every time keeps us in good stead.
Thanks to the infrastructure projects and food supply needs, the demand for off-highway tires always keeps increasing. The South African market is a high potential market for industrial tires. We have made our brand Gregster
a very popular brand. We are also developing the North and the South American market from here. This very much falls in our ambition to build up a global network for the distribution of our tires.
Emerald now has a global reach covering over 70 countries. With warehouses located in strategic markets of Belgium in Europe and Dubai in Middle East, we are able to serve the high potential and quality conscious customers worldwide. We will be foraying into the entire gamut of OHTs and will make India the natural destination and Emerald as the most preferred choice for off-highway tires.